how to make $200 per month from Google Maps. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to explain a method to generate from $200 to $2,000 per month, and you won't need any skill. You will only need to find small business owners that need help with bad reviews and ranking in the search. And for that, we are going to use Google Maps. Then you will go to fiverr.com to hire a freelancer to deliver the service instead of you delivering it. So you won't need here to learn any skill or to spend any time building a profile or an Instagram profile too, or you won't need any capital to advertise your skills. You will only need to find the small businesses and try to convince them to purchase your service. So I'm going to take you in a step-by-step tutorial on how you can apply this method. So first of all, open your favorite browser, then open Google Maps in the browser, and then wait for it to load. And here, go to the search of the browser and type the United States, then click on search and wait for it to load. And here, zoom in on the country. So here, make sure to choose a state, the state or the city that you're going to focus on. So here, for example, for me, I'm going to choose Wisconsin, for example here. So I'm going to zoom in on this place, and here I'm going to go to the search again to type the kind of small businesses I'm going to search for. So let's search for gyms, for example. Here, just type gym in the search and click on search, and you will be able to see all of the available gyms in this area. So here you will see all of those available gyms. Here we have a lot of profiles, and in order to find the best profile that you should reach out to or you should call, always pay attention to the profile in here. Make sure to check if there is any sponsored written in the top of the profile, and also make sure to check the reviews. If they have more than 150 reviews, don't reach out to them. If they have less than 150 reviews, that's the best prospect to reach out to. So here, let's scroll down until we find the ones with less than 150 reviews. For example, like this one here, they have 121 reviews. And guys, we are going to offer 3 services. We are going to offer website creation or renovation if they already have a website and the website is not up to date. And also we are going to offer the bad reviews removing. And the third service we are going to offer is the social media management or social media advertisement. So here, let's check the profile. Let's start with their website to see if their website is up to date or not. So here, let's wait for it to load. So here, just from the get-go, you will see that the website is up to date. So let's close the website window and let's move on to the reviews. So here they have 121 reviews, and from the review summary you would notice that they have some bad reviews in here with 1 star. So let's scroll down to see these bad reviews. Here, click on more reviews and wait for it to load. Let's click again on more reviews, and here let's scroll down. Here, let's scroll down to see all of the bad reviews that we have in here. 5 star, 5-star review, another 5-star review. Here, let's scroll down again to see the bad reviews. Here, let's keep scrolling until you find the bad review that we can use. So guys, these bad reviews are very important because they would convince the business owners to purchase the service from us. Because if you find that you have someone talking negatively about your business and you can't do anything about the negative review, just to watch it or defend yourself in the response. But always people would would pay attention more about negativity than positivity, so you'd be very eager when you find out that someone can remove that bad review for you. So here we are going to look for the 1-star review, and that 1-star review is going to help us land this client, or is going to help us make this client our client. So this is a 1-star review, the first one so far. I was supposed to be given a military discount and never received it, and I've been trying to cancel my membership and they won't do it. So this is a very bad review to post, which seems to be a fraud, and also they won't cancel his membership. And this is the response from the owner. Hey Kai, so sorry that you are having issues with us. I would love to speak with you about your troubles and hopefully resolve them to your liking. Please call in and leave a message for Matt, the owner, with your number, as I can find your info in our system. I certainly don't want this to be your experience here. Speak soon. So as you can see, the owner wants to resolve the problem, but they still have this bad review in their profile, which is bad for their reputation. And as I said in the beginning, you won't need to learn any skill in order to remove this bad review, or even to create a website for them. You will only need to go to fiverr.com in here. Once you land the client, for example, once you take a screenshot of this bad review and you send a message to Anytime Fitness and you say that this is your name and this is the services that you can offer them, and those services will help them get more clients, gain more money, positive, or get a positive reputation in the market. So you just talk about the benefits of paying or purchasing your services. Then when you make them pay you $200 or $300 for your services, then you will go to fiverr.com and you will find freelancers that are going to deliver those services instead of you. So for example, in regarding the bad reviews removing, you will hire someone like this freelancer who is going to remove those bad reviews for only $25. And you can hire this one as well, who is going to create or renovate their website for only $80, and in total it's $105. And you will be left with, if you got paid from the client $200, you will be left with 170 or $195 in total. That's what you're going to take home with you without even learning a skill or without delivering the skill as well. So I think guys, you get the method of this video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to